How to make the puking skeleton and win fantastic awards for your home just like we did. Nice and easy. Here we go. Step 1, quite obviously, get yourself a skeleton. Step 2, you're going to want to find a trash bin and decorate it as such. This is my best Vanna White impression, if any of you know who that is. Splattered with some acrylic paints and even some glow-in-the-dark paint. And then the stickers were made from a friend using a Cricut or Cricut. I don't know how you say it. Ordered a black light and a little water pump that usually used for a fountain or an aquarium. Wanted to get the pump first so that I could bring this end with me. Make sure I got the right size tube from the store. You're going to want to drill or cut a hole. Please use safety first. Feed your tube through, mount your light, and lash down the skeleton. I prefer to use zip ties. Fill it with water. And then for the coloring, I just tore apart some highlighters. Spookiness guaranteed.